Hey, welcome back. So today I've got Legos. Touching Dreaming of Bonsai. This guy Dave Harding I watch on YouTube. He made a Lego bonsai pot. My kids have a ton of Legos, so I'm gonna build a bonsai Lego pot and see how it goes. Okay. So full disclosure, I came up with this design last night and I've kind of dismantled it. I guess I could have dismantled it all the way, but the bottom was pretty hard to build. I wanted there to be a hole in the middle. So it's like a hodgepodge of pieces. I think I'm going to get super glue and do the unthinkable with Lego and super glue. There it is. It's got feet, drain hole. What more could you ask for? Pretty good size. So here we go. I got this pretty cool honeysuckle looking thing. I don't know what this is, but I yanked it out of a yard one day where I was working. Got some pretty nice movement to it. I would say that's the front of it there. I'm going to put it in this Lego pot. I have a nice layer of akadama down in there for drainage. Let's get this bad boy out. I'm not going to mess with the roots too much. Now I got a big root growing out there. I want to get rid of that and make more trunk or leave it. Huh, that's a good question. If I get rid of that big root there, the trunk could go all the way back to there and be a taller tree. But if I leave that root, it kind of grows out in a weird spot. I think those need to go. I don't know. There's some weird thickness up here. It's thicker than it is there. Maybe if I leave that buried up to here, maybe more roots will grow out there. Or if I just leave it like that, and that's just the tree, the way the tree looks. If I get rid of that, I can almost make this a cascade. I'm gonna get rid of them. Although I think that was probably a lot of roots. Probably should have wired this thing in. I think it'll find its way pretty good. I don't know. Now that I cut those roots out, it might need to be wired in. If you're watching this video, in May, Bonsai Central is coming to the St. Louis, greater St. Louis area over in, just across the river in Illinois. It's a 3-day bonsai event. Show, award ceremony, and seminars. Vendors will be there selling their wares. You should check it out. I'm going to try and put a link in the description of all my videos. So go online, register, and come out to Bonsai Central. The name is because it's in the middle of the country, I believe. And I think it's going to be a great time. I'm pumped for it. I will be there. Not that that's a reason to go at all. Bjorn's going to be there. Mara, Andrew Robeson, Tyler Sherrod, Myra, some other people. I'll have to look it up. I'll link it. You go look it up. Bonsai Central. That's pretty cool. And this is the tree. That's the pot. Thanks for watching. Go out and make yourself a Lego pot. Tag me, tag Dreaming of Bonsai in the comments, and see if we can keep this silliness going, you know. I really like this little borderline weed that I yanked out of a yard.